What is up, guys? So welcome back to another video. As you see in the title and thumbnail, we got a little bit of a banger going on with the GTI. So we are going to be installing lips, side skirts, and a rear lip on the GTI. Obviously not familiar with like Mark IVs. There is a GTI called the 20th anniversary, and it has all the special edition parts like the front lips, the side skirts, the rear lip, aluminum trim, factory Recaros, and stuff like that. All the little goodies that I have on the GTI in the interior as well. But exterior wise, it just gives it like a way better look. So I'll give you a stock walk around. Front lip, mine's cracked. Side skirts, it gives it a little bit body low. Car's super filthy right now. Rear lip, I'm hoping the single exhaust tip works, not have to bend it, and we're gonna be able to cover up, you know, our little rot situation. But the car is super filthy right now, so we got the wash bucket out. We got picked up some wheel cleaner and a new wash mitt, and first things first, we have to wash this. I'll show you the lips. If you guys are looking to get some lips for your stock body GTI or Jetta, you can probably hit up TLCT Motorworks or One Love Auto Group, and they'll get you covered and they'll find you some. I found mine through random people on Facebook and had to drive probably in total like 5 hours just to get piece stuff together. But I'm hyped about it because the car's gonna look super good, and we need to wash it. Haven't washed it in forever. I know I'm talking a lot, but I just did the alternator in this. What a pain in the ass. That was, I did it within like an hour and a half, but you shouldn't have to pull the whole front clip and the core support just to do an alternator. You know, German engineering stuff. So we're gonna be doing this. I got some new headlights as well, the X tunings, and I'll show you guys that in a later video. But yeah, we got to get this thing washed and get these lips on because we're running out of daylight. And yeah, stay tuned, and you'll see this thing probably transform into a whole different car. So get hyped. This car cleans up pretty good. It's a solid 10-footer. I still gotta clean the wheels, go through and like degrease the bottom of the rockers, so that way when I put the side skirts on, I'm not just trapping dirt in there. But car cleaned up good. Needs to get repainted, or I need to find another shell. So if you got a clean 24 valve shell, you need black, hit me up, I'll buy it off you. But yeah, now I gotta clean the wheels, and I'm hoping to have enough daylight to get this done. I'm gonna try my best here. But yeah, spray on the BRoll heavy duty wheel cleaner and go to town.
It says it's color changing as well. Gotta be kind of conservative because this shit was like 17 bucks, which is kind of expensive. These things are filthy. Good thing they clean up good. Front wheels are so bad. Alright,
Soak, and I'll go grab the lips and show you guys what they look like painted and all. So I think I showed them before, but they look sweet. All right, so the car needs a clay bar, that's for sure, but the wheels were very dirty. Looks a ton better. So now need to go ahead and get some degreaser on here and clean up the rockers, and then pop the front and rear lip off, and throw these on. Here they are, actually. So I got these painted at a local guy in Berlin. They look really good, and he gave me a good deal, so shout out to Marcelo's Auto Body. But yeah, this car is looking good. It has terrible water spots and it needs a clay bar, like I said, like extremely bad. So one day I'll be doing that, but I'm not going to wax it right now I'm just going to throw the lips on because I've been dying to see it like this. So let's we'll tackle the front one first. Pretty sure it just rips out the front. We got to take off the fender liner T20s first, and then rip this off and throw the new one on. And I'm very excited. So if you haven't done so already and you've been watching my videos, hit subscribe. We got some fire content going on. Just the truck blew up, throwing the LS in it, ordered all the brackets, and stay tuned for that. So let's get these lips on. All right, no front lip. I hope yours comes out a little bit easier than mine. All of it broke, but I wasn't being the carefulest. Now I'm gonna lay a blanket down, and just for when I set down, it doesn't get scratched, but it's gonna look fucking fire. Front lip is on, and oh my god, does it look good. I'll take some pictures. I'll take some more video when it's all done because the lighting's a little weird. Moving on to the rear, we got it off. Looks ugly with that one, but we're gonna try out the exhaust tip real quick, and then we'll throw the new one on, and then side skirts is next. This car is gonna look so good, so stay tuned for the final product. A little B-roll, and yeah, this car's a 20th anniversary now. All right, so the rear lip is on, and I'm glad the single tip worked, and the hitch still works, but it looks super good. And now we just need to do the side skirts, and this thing will be complete. It already looks so much better. Ooh. All right, so the side skirts are going on. Got the double-sided tape all along. Shane's got some fingernails so he can get them, and he also has a butt crack here. All right, so skirts, front lip, rear lip are on. I gotta run to Autozone, get some self-tappers, and I gotta maybe get a little bit of sunlight left and get a little bit of a B-roll shot. Thing looks so sick. I'm so hyped. Ah, I'm so pissed I missed the freaking sunlight. I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick and grab some self-tappers, but I'll go to a parking lot where there's sufficient lighting so I can show you how freaking good this looks. Or I'll wait till tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I'll wait till tomorrow in the daylight and give you a full walk around, because this thing just looks so fucking good. I'm so hyped about it. Day 2, it's fucking raining and cloudy. Just what you want after you just washed your car and threw on some lips and side skirts. I'm pissed. After I'm done work, I'll show you guys what the car looks like though. Cancel. So as you see in those little B-roll shots that I got with the GoPro, the car looks absolutely amazing. Actually, here's a good comparison for a stock body GTI versus a lip kit. So as you see, front lip's a little weak, no side skirts or nothing. Rear lip is weak. 20th anniversary kit, rear lip a little bit more extended, side skirts gives it a lot more body low, front lip gives it a lot more body low. So this thing looks freaking amazing. I'm so hyped about it. By far one of my favorite things I've done to the car yet. So all right, before I end this video, I decided to swap out the headlights and side markers on my GTI. And this is the flip GTI. I have a guy coming Sunday. I'm gonna swap out for these brand new ones. And the smokes, I have the X tuning headlights. I just can't stand it, and I gotta rebuild them anyway. I gotta change the lenses, swap the backs, stuff like that. So we're gonna swap out these headlights real quick. I gotta pop off this bumper and shit, so let me put a blanket down so I don't scratch up the lip. But changing the side markers as well is gonna look good too. So here's a little before, and then let's gonna look like that car, but with a front lip. So let's swap these off. All right, as you see, the difference is ridiculous. These will polish up. I'll polish them before I sell it, but might as well go with the freshies before I get rid of the car. So yeah, I've taken a bumper off of Mark IV about 20 million times now. I'm sick and tired of it, so let's get this done. All right, so there's an even better shot. Thing looks so much better with these new headlights. Oh my god. Can't wait to throw the VX tuning ones on as well, but these are fire. Side markers are fire. Now I just need to get the other side markers. I had Hella Smokes, but I didn't want to run them, but I might have to find another set, or I might get the all clears, MK4 all clears. But this thing is freaking coming together so good. I'm so hyped about it. So I just wanted to do this and show you guys how much better it looked. And now tomorrow I gotta edit, take a sick thumbnail, and yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I don't really have anything else for the GTI to do besides maintenance stuff, and we don't want to see that. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you're new, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you like it. And yeah, let's grow this channel a little bit and try and get more subs, and so I can do some more cool stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video doing something to one of my vehicles.